Today's kind of exciting. I'm going on my second ever solo kayak camping trip. So I'm about to go ahead and load into the water here. I packed a little bit heavy, but better safe than sorry, I guess. So let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, I packed a wee bit heavy. I've got basically my kitchen bag, my electronics and clothes bag, and my shelter bag. It's all packed to the back too. Probably not the best idea, but I don't have a lot of room up front, so we'll see if we can make it work. And hopefully you guys can even hear anything with the amount of wind that I've got going on here. The views out here are absolutely incredible. The lake is super low right now. The TVA usually opens up the dams on most of the lakes in order to make way for the winter rains and whatnot, but nonetheless, it's still super pretty out here. We really don't have a long distance to travel here. Right there around that bend, there will be another bend, and that's where we'll be going. I'd say we're about a quarter to a third of the way there now. It's more or less a branch crossing. The only real challenge here is we're going straight into the wind, but that's all right. That point right there is our destination. I believe, can't really see it in the camera, but that is our trail. Let's go find out. Take a look at camp. It's not much of a trail getting in. Alright, this is where we're going to be staying for tonight. Check this out, guys. Some sort of animal carcass. Kinda looks like a skunk, maybe? I don't know, it's kind of little though. Huh. Just kind of scoping out the area around the site. Looks like a little game trail or something here. lake out there. So we'll head back to camp and probably go ahead and set up. It's unseasonably warm right now. It's like 65, 70 degrees outside Fahrenheit right now. And it's December 26th. Typically, we're right around freezing or just above freezing for Middle Tennessee. So it's a little different, but nonetheless, it does look like it might potentially rain on us, which is all right. We brought extra coverage, but we need to go ahead and get set up in the event that that does happen. So I will see you guys back at camp and we'll set up. My best friend got me this for Christmas, so I'm excited to try it out. It's a little mini camping table. Today for lunch, we're gonna keep it kind of simple. Got some chili, some rice. But one thing I am excited to try out is my Sawyer Mini. I've never in my life drank lake water or eaten anything with lake water in it. So I'm curious how this is gonna go. And it's definitely lake water. Screw that on. I did replace the lid on mine with a smart water lid. The reason I did that is because actually whenever I received it, the lid wasn't flip top anymore. It was broken at the seam there. And I wanted something that was flip top, and so it was a super easy fix. So kind of sucks that it came like that, but nonetheless, super easy fix. Bought like a $2 or $3 bottle of smart water, and that fixed my issue. So what I'm gonna do first, because I've never in my life tasted water like this, I'm gonna put it in this. And try that out first, just to make sure all is working. I've tested it with tap water, but that's not quite the same. And they say as you use it more, the flow will get better. So right now the flow is not the greatest. little left in there, but that's okay. Let's see. Looks clean. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Doesn't have a smell. Bottoms up. It's actually not bad. Wow. It's kind of good, actually. Wow. All right, well, let's cook with it. We'll see if I'm dying at 2 o'clock in the morning. That'll give us the answer as to whether or not I should have done that. But I'm actually not mad at it at all. All right. Start with rice. I gotta kind of watch it too. This stove, I need to upgrade. It's not the most stable thing on the planet, so that's all right. Probably could use a little more water in there. So we'll let that boil over and cook up a bit, and then we'll add our chili in and have us little chili and rice. That is so crazy to me, though. I've never, ever in my life it tastes like spring water. So I just got it right out of the lake. Neat. I brought some liquid IV just in case, lemon lime, because I didn't know how it would taste. I didn't know if it would fully remove the lake smell and taste. I knew it would be technically safe to drink, but I didn't know if it would be palatable. And it's actually pretty freaking good. Neat. And I know I'm using a huge pot here. I just don't like smaller pots when camping. Typically, I come out here with anywhere from 1 other person to 3 other people. And we kind of rotate out who cooks, but I do tend to cook semi-often. So a lot of my things like my pot, I need them to be larger to feed multiple people. Which I enjoy cooking for the group anyway, but nonetheless, the gear has to be a little bit on the larger side to accommodate. So I'll go ahead and add my chili. This is not a gourmet meal of any kind. I literally just wanted some chili and rice. There's no secret to it. It does not look all that appetizing, but to be honest with you, it's so good. Mix it in there. Let that kind of boil over for a bit. I would say that is about ready. So let's try some. That's really good. Really good. All right. Well, I'm going to eat my lunch. Nobody likes to watch anybody eat, so I'm not going to make you guys do that. And I will see you guys when it's time to start gathering some firewood and prepping for tonight. So my friend said that he was actually gonna stop by, maybe eat some lunch here at the campsite. So we are going to go explore the beach until we see him. So I don't know how close he is. I think he should be getting pretty close, actually. But I haven't seen him yet, so let's go check out the beach. Hopefully it's not too windy. It's looking pretty out here. Wow. The beach looks a little rough because it's really low. The water level's really low right now, and so it's kind of washed up all the junk that unfortunately people have left behind, or things that are actually meant to be submerged in the first place. So that kind of sucks, but it's still super pretty out here. There's some junk out here. I'm not 100% sure what those are. I guess that wasn't a bench up there earlier. Huh. It has something to do with these. I think it has something to do with the fish. I'm not 100% certain. It's not like trash because so many of them. It's super intentional. They almost line the edge of the bank here whenever the water level's low. And then actually during the summertime, the water level goes all the way up to the grass line there. And so all of this would be completely submerged. And that's normally when we go camping. So we don't typically actually have beaches to enjoy while we're out here. So it's kind of nice being able to walk. Typically during the warmer months, you can't walk to our campsite that we typically go to because of the water level. So cool. big shelf. Wow. That whole tree. Let's see if I can zoom out. The whole tree has fallen over, roots and all. Taking the land with it. It's crazy. Just from what I'm assuming is the erosion of the water as it comes up and goes away. This is actually our typical campsite that we go to. We normally kayak here from the same point that I live from. Looks like somebody else has found it and left trash out here though, unfortunately. We'll take that with us. And normally, if I'm hammock camping, I'll string up between those two trees. Or if I have my tent, it'll be right about there. We'll come back for the trash. Got people. It's not people, it's him. He's not kayaking. What's up, buddy? You decided to hike out here instead? It's not worth it? Yeah. I get that.
Yeah, I had to walk. I parked right by you.
Oh, and walked around?
Yeah, I had to do a lot of walking around. It wasn't that bad, though. I just need some
Sweet.
boots would have made it a little quicker.
Yeah, these hay dudes are not made for this.
Yeah.
My buddy just left. He came and ate some lunch, and we sat and talked for an hour or so, and now I am back to solo camping. I'll kind of walk them out down the beach a little bit. And it's actually not the most fun walk in the world. It's also kind of misting. It's not really raining, but it's just been super misty, so I went ahead and put everything under the shelter for the night. And now we're gonna go back and collect some firewood, relax a little bit until dinner time, and we'll go from there. See what's next on the agenda. Oh, fell down. It's still super pretty out here though. Even with all the mist and the gray clouds and everything, it's still a nice afternoon. I would much rather kayak this than walk it though. Luckily I got my waders on so I can just go through this. It may not look it, but it actually sinks quite a bit. Yep. People leaving trash. Oh, that's gonna suck. I'm not gonna film this part. I'll see you guys back at camp. All right, I'm back from walking my friend back to his vehicle, and so now I guess we're gonna collect some firewood, and then we're gonna relax because I'm tired from that walk. probably run for that for right now. And we're gonna process it down and get back to you guys when I'm done. I would process it for you in front of you, but I don't want you to see me cuss and get mad. So we're gonna avoid that. See you guys shortly. This is probably my favorite part of the day. I know it's weird. I like the chores. I like cooking, collecting firewood, setting up camp. It's something about sitting around the fire in the late evening. Actually, it's early evening. It's warm. It's bright. It's so peaceful. Tonight for dinner, we're gonna have some ramen. Nothing fancy. First, we're gonna cook our meat. This is just beef that's in soy sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. I love making ramen. Something so cheap, so simple. You can really make it taste so good. Salt. Some black pepper. Oh, that's garlic salt, not garlic powder. Oops. Oh well. A little bit of cayenne. And some paprika. Oh, it smells so good. Add in our vegetables. I never claimed to be a chef. And I also never claimed to cook traditional ramen. This is just how I like it. So we'll add our ramen. And yes, this is a ton. I packed for two just in case my friend, when he came for lunch, wanted to eat ramen. But he actually brought his own lunch, so now I have extra. All right. I'll let that sit for a second and enjoy the fire while we wait. Looks like we're getting close to done. It smells so good. Go ahead and add in seaweed. One last touch, if I can do it. Egg. How about 2? It may not look great, but it's going to be so good. Go ahead and take it off the stove. Still probably super hot. I want to try. Cheers, guys. That is some wonderful campfire ramen. So I'm going to eat this and not make you watch anymore and enjoy the fire while I eat my dinner. So see you soon, guys. It is so dark out here. See the lights on the other side? It's a little past 10 o'clock, so I think I'm going to retire to the hammock. Give me a good night's sleep. We'll wake up in the morning, cook some breakfast, do a little looking around, and then probably head home. It's been such a peaceful night, though. I've got enough firewood for the morning, a little bit more than enough. But I'm just so tired now. So I will catch you guys in the morning. Good morning. I'm sleepy. I'm kind of cozy and don't want to get out of my hammock. But I'm also hungry, so we're gonna make some breakfast. Let's see what it looks like outside.
Well, let's get at it.
I think we'll make some breakfast. Some coffee first. Need some coffee. Then some breakfast. Then we'll probably let the fog clear out a little bit and head on out of here. You can't see anything. I can't even see the water right now. It's all at the edge of the water. It's just white. It's pretty crazy. Me and my friend have come out here kayaking one morning. It was just like this. But when the fog started to clear up, it was so pretty out. It wasn't even funny. I think it's supposed to be cloudy today, so we probably won't have that same scenery, but nonetheless, a nice morning. The birds are super loud this morning, just chirping away. So good. Smells so good. super good. I think I overdid it with the cream and sugar though a little bit. Let's try to. Now. All right, guys, we are all packed up. The bag's there. Fire is out. So I guess what we're going to do is load up the kayak and paddle on out of here. I'm pretty tired. So I think we're going to call it and go ahead and get on out. Let's go. All right. We got the kayak loaded up. Beautiful day. Let's head back onto the car. Alright guys, I am back at the vehicle, so that is going to conclude our camping trip. If you had a good time and you want to see more, please consider subscribing. At least leave a like on the video if you did like it. And at that, I will see you on our next adventure. See ya!